South Africa has been thrown into yet another political storm as the Pretoria High Court has officially ordered Economic Freedom Fighters, EFF, leader Julius Malema to appear before the bench within 7 days in connection with the ongoing investigation into the mysterious death of former Minister Nathi Mthethwa. The shocking development has sent tremors across the political landscape, leaving the EFF scrambling to contain the fallout as questions about Malema's possible involvement continue to mount. According to court documents that surfaced late Sunday night, the High Court issued a direct summons demanding Malema's immediate appearance, citing critical inconsistencies in his prior statements regarding his communications with Mthethwa in the weeks before the former minister's death in Paris. Sources close to the investigation claim that newly uncovered evidence, including phone records and financial transactions, has tied Malema to individuals under police scrutiny for allegedly orchestrating a high-level cover-up related to Mthethwa's final days abroad. The order has shaken the foundations of the EFF, with insiders describing scenes of utter chaos inside the party's headquarters in Braamfontein. Senior EFF officials reportedly held an emergency meeting late into the night, where heated arguments broke out over how to handle the crisis. Some urged Malema to step aside temporarily to avoid further damaging the party's image, while others accused the government of orchestrating a political witch hunt designed to destroy the EFF's rising influence. "We are under siege. The system is targeting us because we speak truth to power. But this one is different. There's panic because even the top leadership wasn't expecting the court to act this fast." The High Court's intervention follows weeks of mounting pressure from Mthethwa's widow, who has publicly accused both the ANC and the EFF of concealing vital details about her husband's death. She has repeatedly called for international investigators to reopen the case, insisting that her late husband was silenced after uncovering sensitive political and financial secrets involving top government officials and opposition figures alike. Her emotional statements during a recent parliamentary hearing brought the nation to a standstill. With tears in her eyes, she declared, "They thought his death would be forgotten. But I will not rest until every name, every secret, and every message he left behind comes to light, no matter who it implicates." That declaration, coupled with the High Court's latest move, has reignited a wave of speculation about what really happened to Mthethwa in Paris, and whether his fall from the 22nd floor balcony was truly accidental, as initially reported. The EFF, which has long positioned itself as the moral opposition to the ANC, now finds itself facing the very scrutiny it once demanded for others. Legal analysts suggest that if Malema fails to appear before the court within the prescribed 7 days, a warrant for his arrest could be issued, potentially sparking a constitutional crisis and nationwide protests from his supporters. Already, some EFF members have taken to social media, accusing President Cyril Ramaphosa's administration of weaponizing the judiciary to silence dissent. However, the High Court has dismissed any suggestion of political interference, asserting that the integrity of the investigation demands compliance from all individuals named in the proceedings, regardless of their political status. South Africans are divided. While some believe Malema is being unfairly targeted, others argue that no one should be above the law. Outside the court in Pretoria, a small but vocal crowd gathered holding signs reading "Justice for Nathi" and "No More Political Cover UPS." Opposition parties, meanwhile, are treading carefully. The Democratic Alliance, DA, called for transparency and respect for the legal process, while ANC representatives avoided direct comment, perhaps wary of the potential blowback from Mthethwa's still influential allies within the ruling party. Legal experts say the next 7 days will be crucial. Malema must either present himself before the court to address the allegations or risk being declared in contempt, a move that could lead to his detention. Sources close to the investigation hint that prosecutors are ready to unveil explosive evidence linking multiple figures in both the ruling and opposition parties to the former minister's suspicious demise. For now, the country waits. The EFF leader, known for his defiance and fiery rhetoric, faces what could be the most defining challenge of his political career. Will he confront the court head-on and clear his name, or will this be the beginning of the end for one of South Africa's most controversial political figures? One thing is certain, the Mthethwa investigation has entered its most dangerous phase yet, and the fallout could alter the course of South African politics forever.